Okay, here I have 16 practice problems on systems of equations. This one won't go over word problems, but it will go over just putting stuff into desmos basically. So let's get started with question number 1. We have these two equations right here. If xy satisfies the systems of equations above, what is the value of y? So basically, we have to find y. To do this, let's just plug it into desmos. I don't know why it looks like this, I'm sorry, but hopefully y'all can still read it. Negative x plus y equals negative 3.5, and x plus 3y equals 9.5. Let's look at the intersection, which is right here, and the y value is 1.5, so y equals 1.5, and that's our answer. Question number 2. In the given systems of equations, p is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of p? Oh, I'm so sorry. I have no idea why it looks like this, but let me see. Uh, yeah, all of that is gonna be one equation, and everything here is going to be the second equation. So let's put this in desmos. 3 over 2y minus 1 over 4x is equal to 2 over 3 minus 3 over 2y. And then we have 1 over 2x plus 3 over 2 is equal to py plus 9 over 2. Now, of course, they do ask you if you want to add a slider, and yeah, go ahead and add that slider. And now all we have to do is keep moving the slider until the lines are parallel. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, hold on, let me zoom in a little. 7. Okay, let me look at 6. Okay, 5. Okay, hold on, I have to zoom out, I have no idea what I'm looking at. Okay, definitely not 4, it gets like smaller towards here. 5. 5, it's still kind of getting smaller. 6. 6 looks pretty good. 7. Okay, 7 is starting to get smaller on this side. And then 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, it's definitely starting to get smaller on this side. So I think the sweet spot is going to be around 6. So P is equal to 6. Okay, yeah, that's like so hard to see if it's parallel or not. And I think that's really because I was in split screen, but I have it full screen now. Actually, I'm even full screen it more. And now I'm gonna just zoom out by a lot. So we know 6 is our answer, but let's try the numbers around it. So we have 5. And if you notice right here, 5 actually does intersect at this point. And then if we look at 7, then, okay, if we keep going down here, you see that 7 does intersect at this point. Now, let's look at 6, and of course 6 never intersects. So, once you get like a feel that if you're zoomed in and you feel like, okay, like these are looking good. I mean, like 5 looks pretty good and 7 looks pretty good. Then you can just zoom out and eventually find out that they do intersect. Question number 3. In the given systems of equations, t is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of t? Oh, I'm so sorry again, I did not realize that. Okay, I feel like all of these are gonna be like horribly formatted, but on the real SAT, it won't look like this, just so y'all know it'll be like on top of each other, but let me see if I can split it. Okay, looks like from here to here. Okay, so from here to there, that is the first equation, and this is our second equation. Anyways, we're gonna do the exact same thing like we just did with the last question, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it in desmos, and then start trying out numbers. So 4x minus 6y is equal to 10y plus 2. Then we have ty is equal to 1/2 plus 2x. Now we do have to add our slider. And let's just, well, start trying points. I'm gonna just full screen from the get-go, so it's a lot easier to see. Okay. Dang. Dang. Okay, hold on. Maybe I'm too zoomed out. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna try whole numbers. Hold on. 9. Okay, 9 definitely looks like it's getting smaller this side. 10. Okay, 10 is... Okay, you can literally see 10 intersect right there. Okay, 8. I'm feeling good about 8. I'm not feeling good about 8. Let's try 7 though. Okay, 7 definitely getting smaller on this side. And if I zoom out, it does intersect. So I think our answer is 8. Let me try again. 8. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it. So I think T is 8. Hold on. I gotta write it down. Oh shoot, ignore that Elden Ring in the back. Ignore that. t is equal to 8. Question number 4. In the system of equations below, a and c are constant. This is not below, this is like above. Anyways, we already know the formatting is weird, so we have these two equations right here. If the system of equations has an infinite number of solutions, what is the value of a? So if you remember an infinite number of solutions, let's say I had x plus y equals 3. Now if I multiply this entire thing by 5, so I'm saying times 5, and then we had 5x plus 5y is equal to 15. These two things, they're still going to be the exact same, and they'll have an infinite number of solutions. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, what do we multiply this first equation right here to get to this equation? So times what? Let me go ahead and clean all this up. Now if we look here in our original equation, we know that y is 1/3. Whereas in our second equation, y is just, well, 1y. So how do we go from 1/3 y to 1y? And the answer is just multiplying by 3. So now what we're going to do, we're going to multiply this entire top equation by 3. So, give me a second. 1/2 times 3, 1.5, which is 3/2. And the reason I'm changing it to fraction, because all the answer choices are in fractions. So 3/2x. And there you go. I mean, that's literally all we needed to do. They just asked for a, which is the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 3/2. But just to check, I'm gonna keep going. So we already know 1/3 times, well, 3 is equal to 1, so plus 1y is equal to 1/6 times 3, which is 0.5 or 1/2. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and plug these equations into Desmos. So I have 1/2 x plus 1/3 y is equal to 1/6. Then I have 3/2 x, I don't think that's how I should say it. Anyways, plus y is equal to 1/2. And you notice these two equations are the exact same, so they do have an infinite number of solutions. Question number 5. We have this system right here. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of x minus y? Alright, like, how's this difficulty 3? How's this the hard difficulty, man? Like, all you gotta do, first things first, plug this into Desmos. So y equals 4x plus 1, and 4y equals 15x minus 8. Oh, that's 44. Oops. Now we're gonna look at our intersection. Hold on. Okay, there it is. Right here. Negative 47 and negative 12. I don't know why I said that backwards. Anyways, they want x minus y, so all I'm gonna do is negative 12. Hold on, I already forgot what it was. Minus negative 47, so minus negative 47. And our answer is 35, so x minus y is equal to 35. Boom, just like that. Like, that's so easy. That takes like 30 seconds to do. Question number 6. We have the system right here. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of 3x plus 3y? Man, this is too easy, right? This is just like the last question. Alright, instead of subtracting, we're just adding and multiplying by 3. All we gotta do, put that in Desmos, alright? 7x minus 5y is equal to 4. 4x minus 8y is equal to 9. Let's find that intersection. Oh, hold on, it's already done here. Let's see. Now, why is it decimals? But I put that in right. Yeah, I did put that in right. Okay, well, let's just roll with that, I guess. So 3 times, hold on, negative 0.361, negative 0.361, plus 3 times negative 1.306, negative 1.306. So negative 5.001, that's like close enough. So our answer is 5. Wait, why am I trying to do shapes? Alright, just circle that. 5. Now technically, if you like did this by hand, it would be faster, but like the whole point is to do it by, just to do everything on Desmos. But if you want to see how to do it by hand, you can always look at the answer key. Oops, sorry, I just realized I said 5. I meant negative 5, alright? Negative 5. B, negative 5. Question number 7. In the given systems of equations, r is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of r? Oh, okay, hold on, give me a second. So this, okay, that is one equation, and that is the other equation. Alright, we've done a few of these already. All we have to do is put in Desmos and adjust the slider until they are parallel lines. So 48x minus 72y is equal to 30y plus 24. And ry is equal to 16 minus 16x. Of course, you have to add in our slider. Let's do that. Dang. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Alright, so from the looks of it, 10 and negative 10, they aren't gonna be enough. So all you gotta do is just click on, just click anywhere, right? And then you can adjust it now. So I'm gonna change this to negative 100 and positive 100. And now you can slide from negative 100 to positive 100. Okay. Man, what? Oh, okay, I was about to say, is 100 not enough? Okay, no, we just had to go into negatives. Alright. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm feeling like around the 30s, right? Like negative 33. Yo, I'm low-key feeling negative 33. Like, how'd I land on that? Oh, never mind. It does intersect. Dang. Okay, I was close though. Negative 32? Also no. Okay, let's go up. Negative 34? Okay, I think it's negative 34. Let's try negative 35. Oh yeah, negative 35 intersects right there. So our answer is gonna be r is equal to negative 34. Just to check. Gotta go both directions. Yeah, I'm pretty sure r is equal to negative 34. Question number 8. We have this system. Okay, give me a second. Alright, that's our first equation, and this is our second equation. So, the solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of y? Oh my goodness, bro, this is even easier than like all the other ones, man. Like, this one you had to like, oh, not that one. This one you had to multiply by 3 and add. This one you had to subtract. Man, all this one is asking for the value of y. Alright, that's like even easier. Like, how does it get easier from that? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's put this in desmos. Man, the equation is also even shorter. Oh my goodness, it should be like an easy difficulty. Alright, let's look at where it intersects. Oh my goodness, what the? Okay, all the way up here. 80, boom. Y is equal to 80. Oh my goodness, that is too easy. Question number 9. Okay, let me separate the system again. Like, right there. Okay, this is our first equation, and that's our second equation. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of x? Oh my goodness, dude. This one is also so easy. All we gotta do this time is multiply the x value with the y value. It's too easy. And I just want to let you know I'm not complaining, alright? Like, this is on the hard difficulty, so hey, look, technically you're getting more points for these easy questions. So, no complaining here, you know, no complaining. I'm not complaining. Anyways, let's put this into desmos. 5x plus 14y equals 45. And 10x plus 7y equals 27. Man, where am I at? Okay, hold on. Right here, we get 0 0.3, wait, what? 0 0.6 and 3. Then we're gonna multiply those two together, so 0 0.6 times 3 is 1.8. So xy, or x times y, is equal to 1.8. Oh, too easy, yeah, too easy. Question number 10. In the system of equations above, c is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of c? So this one, it's gonna be that slider one where we're trying to find if the lines are parallel. Because they're no solution, so they're parallel. Y equals 1/2 x plus 8. And y equals cx, oh that's a v, cx plus 10. We have to add a slider. And let's start trying things out. Okay. Oh, okay, looks like it's in negative. Hold on. Oh, what's happening? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, yo, wait, is this 0.5? I don't know what's going on there, but like, low-key kind of worked out. Wait a minute, actually look, I don't know, it was kind of tweaking, but it looks like it actually works. Let's try 0.6. 0.6 does have an intersection, and 0.4 also has an intersection, so yeah, it is 0.5. I don't even know how I stumbled on that, but hey look, I'm not complaining. 0.5, so C equals 0.5. Man, this is also too easy. At this point, I'm gonna say every single question is too easy, but that's because they are, alright? These systems questions, if you missed them, then you're not cooking, alright? Alright, I kind of just realized that this question is actually so easy. I didn't even need it. You don't even need to put in desmos. So if you remember, no solution means the same slope but different y-intercepts. So we look here, they have different y-intercepts, so all we gotta do is make the slopes the same. So we just gotta change the c to a 1/2. So just like that, the value of c is 1/2. Oh my goodness, you didn't even need to put that in desmos, so it gets even easier. My goodness. Question number 11. In the system of equations above, a is a constant. If the system of equations has no solution, what is the value of a? Okay, so I learned my lesson last time. I'm gonna actually look at this the little system real quick. Okay, so they have different y-intercepts, so once again, all we gotta do is make the slope the same. So we just gotta make a equal to 2. So our answer is D. Oh my goodness, it actually get... oh, dang. I'm not complaining about it. I love these questions. Right? All of a sudden, I love math. Just for funsies though, I'm gonna put it in Desmos just because I'm a little Desmos crutch, right? Alright, so a equals 2. And you can see that it is parallel. I'm gonna try one above and one below. So a equals 1. It does intersect. And a equals 0. It also intersects. So dang, you didn't even need to put that in Desmos again. Question number 12. For each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given, system? Alright, looking at these answer choices, I guess the easy streak is over. Except that's what you think, but this is actually really easy. So whenever you have these types of questions where you got like all these mumbo jumbo fractions in the answer choices, the first thing you should realize is that these two equations are actually identical. Alright? All you did here was multiply this top equation by 3, and that's how you get the bottom equation. So basically they're just the same line. ax plus 7y equals 9. And just to show, 24x plus 21y equals 27. So, on the actual test, save yourself some time and don't type in that second equation. Of course, nothing changes if you do, you just, well, don't waste that extra time. Now, for these types of questions, there is a small trick to it. So, when we look at r, the thing is, r has to at least be by itself in the x place. So it could be r, and then we could be like 1 divided by 25,000 r, or something like that. Or it could be 1 divided by 25,000 r, comma r. So if anything, r cannot be r cannot be a fraction in at least one of the places. In the x or y position is what I mean. So let's go through our answer choices. For A, r is by itself in the x place, so that's good. For B, r is by itself in the y place, so that's good. But for C, if you notice, r is a fraction in both the y and the x. Why did I say that backwards? Anyways, it's a fraction in both the x and the y, right? So you can instantly tell that C is not the answer, so you don't need to try C. And then for D, actually the exact same thing here too. R is a fraction in both the x and y, so you also don't need to try D. Now all we have to do is plug A and B into Desmos. So let's try this out. Give me a second. So r comma negative 8 over 7 r plus 9 over 7. Let's add that slider. And oh well, look at that. No matter how you move it, it should still be on the line, and it is. So our answer is A. Wow, we got lucky. It was the first one. Hold on, I should just draw a circle. There we go. For funsies, I'm gonna go through the rest though, just to show. Okay. Negative 8r over 7 plus 9 over 7 comma r. Add that slider, and I'm gonna zoom in a lot, and you can notice that it's actually barely off. Wow, okay, so for these types of questions, be careful, alright? Because like it looks like it's on the line, but it's like barely off. Oh, well, actually, I guess if you keep adding it up, then it goes way off the line. So here it actually looks like it's on the line, but if you keep sliding up and down, it gets a lot farther. I'll keep that R there so I don't have to keep typing R again. And for C and D, which are just obvious no's, let's try these out. 8 over 7 R. Dang, this is so annoying. I hate typing fractions so much. 8 over 7 R plus 27. Okay. Man, what the? Where is it? Okay, I guess I have to redo this. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh, it's all the way up here. No wonder. Yeah, that was just obviously not it. And then 40 r over 3 plus 9 negative r over 3 plus 27. Add that slider. And this one is also just way off. So as you can see, if r is in a fraction in both places, it's going to be way off. So never try those. Save yourself some time. Question number 13. Let me quickly separate this. So this is our first equation, and this is our second equation. In the given system of equations, h is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of h? So looking at this system, it's probably not going to work out as easily as the other ones. So let's put this in desmos. 4x minus 9y is equal to 9y plus 5, and hy is equal to 2 plus 4x. Let's add our slider, but this time, since they did give us answer choices, all we need to do is plug in the answer choices. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just realized that I forgot to do this, so I don't know if the other ones were like this, but anyways, yeah, hopefully y'all caught on, and anyways, let's just put it in. All right, let's just put it in. -9. It does intersect, so no. 0 also does intersect. 9 also intersects, and 18. Well, I mean it's our last one, but no, it does not intersect. So our answer is D. Dang, I need to stop clicking for shapes. All right, D. Man, that square looks ugly. Question number 14. One of the two equations in a linear system is 2x plus 6y equals 10. The system has no solution. Which of the following could be the other equation in the system? Alright, I mean this one's pretty easy. Just plug in this equation right here. 2x plus 6y equals 10. And then just start plugging in the other ones. X plus 3y equals 5. This one has infinitely many solutions, so no. X plus 2y equals -20. Oh shoot, this one might be it. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I think this is actually our answer. I'm gonna check the rest though, just to be sure. 6x minus 2y equals 0. Okay, no, that clearly has an intersection, or one solution. And 6x plus 2y equals 10. This one also has one solution, so our answer is B. Question number 15. For each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system? Alright, this is the same one with all these fractions and the r's and stuff. But hey look, we know the trick now. First thing, these two equations, they're the exact same, so we only need to type one of them in. I'm gonna do the first one. Oh shoot. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot to change it to y. Dang, I'm not cooking right now. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Next things up, let's check the answer choices. So here, r is a fraction in both the x and y positions, so it can't be A. B, r is by itself in the y value. C, r is by itself, and D, r is also by itself. So hey look, we got rid of at least one, right? I like that. I don't like typing fractions. So let's start trying them out. -3r divided by 2 plus 7 over 2r. Add that slider. Hey, let's go! It was the first one we tried. I like that, I like that. Okay, I'm not trying the rest, okay? I hate typing fractions so much. Question number 16, the very last one. One of the equations in a system of two linear equations is given. The system has no solution. Which equation could be the second equation in the system? Alright, this is like, let's just start typing it in. Y equals 6x plus 18. And let's try out A. -6x plus y equals 18. They're the exact same line, so that's going to be infinitely many solutions, so not A. -6x plus y equals 22. Okay, I like that, I like that. I mess with that, alright? So B is our answer. I'm gonna try the rest though, because this one's not a fraction, so I will try the rest. -12x plus y is equal to 36. And here it does intersect, and you can pretty much guess that the next one is also gonna do the same thing. Oh, what's happening? Alright, there we go. So it does intersect. Okay, our answer is B, and that was 16 questions on systems of equations. As you can see, literally every single one of these problems was able to be solved in Desmos and basically with only Desmos. So systems of equations, they're so easy. Alright, become a Desmos crutch, alright? Lose your dignity, but it's okay, because as long as we get that 800 in the math section, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Anyways, I'll see y'all.